tankless water heaters provide the comfort and convenience of having a continuous supply of hot water. Mounting the water heater. Select a suitable location to mount the tankless water heater. The unit should be securely mounted onto a stud in the wall or external framing system such as Unistrut. Using the easy hang slot on the bracket already mounted to the water heater, mark the center line of the water heater and install one screw for the top hanging bracket. Lift the water heater up and align the easy hang slot with the screw and lower into place. Level water heater and secure with additional fasteners, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Installing vent pipe. The vent system for this water heater is designed for use with solid core Schedule 40 PVC, CPVC, ABS, and InnoFlue venting materials. Both the exhaust and air intake vents must be run outside. Measure, cut, and dry fit the venting together before gluing the fittings. Start at the water heater with the exhaust and work your way to the termination going outdoors. Complete the air intake as well. Disassemble and clean each fitting and vent length so they are smooth and free of debris from the cutting process. Starting at the water heater, glue the pipe and fittings together. Ensure each joint is sealed and tight. Install vent termination. For the purpose of this video, we are showing the horizontal flat termination kit. Install the vent and air intake piping into the vent plate openings. Seal all gaps between the pipes and wall. Be sure to use silicone sealant to seal the vent pipe to the cap to permit field disassembly for inspection and cleaning. Be sure to seal all pipe penetrations in wall. Secure the vent plate to outside wall. Attach the vent cap to the vent plate using the screws provided. Install water lines. Rheem recommends the use of service valves as these provide an easy means to service the water heater in the future. Using Teflon tape, seal the threads of a 3/4 inch NPT copper threaded coupling and attach to service valves. A pressure-only relief valve rated at 150 psi is required. Pipe the relief valve to a drain or outside location per local code requirements. Install gas line. A properly sized and installed gas supply line is critical to the proper operation of this water heater. The gas supply connection is 3/4 inch NPT. The minimum pipe size must be 1/2 inch or larger. Install the gas shutoff valve included with the water heater directly on the gas fitting on the bottom of the water heater. Connect the gas piping to the valve. All Rheem tankless water heaters are able to be installed using 1/2 inch gas line, making the replacement of a tank-type water heater with a Rheem tankless water heater easier and more cost-effective. As always, it is required that installers consult the Rheem Use and Care Manual, the National Fuel Gas Code, and any other local gas codes when installing a Rheem tankless water heater. Install condensate drain. Remove the factory shipping cap from the drain connection. Slide a 1/2 inch diameter drain hose over the fitting at the bottom of the water heater and secure with a hose clamp. Run the drain line to a suitable drain. Do not create a trap in the hose. Run straight to drain. You do not need to install a separate condensate neutralizer because all Rheem condensing tankless water heaters have one already built into the unit. Mount the remote control. Select an easily accessible location for the remote control, which has a 10-foot cord. Secure the remote wall plate using the screws provided. Then, connect the remote control wire provided to the 2 screw terminals on the back of the remote. Secure the remote to the mounting plate using the small screw located at the bottom. Connect the remote control. To attach the remote control to the tankless water heater, the connection point is located at the bottom of the unit. Remove the screw that secures the connection point cover. Slide the cover back and pull down, and then insert the wire through the rubber grommet on the bottom of the cover. Route and connect the wire leads to the screw terminals. Slide the cover up to the bottom of the water heater and reinstall the screw. Connect electrical. The tankless water heater plugs into a standard 120-volt AC 3-pronged outlet. Plug-in unit. Turn on and test. With no fixtures running, turn on the water supply and the gas. Wait 90 seconds to allow the water heater to complete system checks. Press the power button on the remote control. The remote will beep and a green light will appear. The remote will display 100 degrees the first time you turn it on. Press the up arrow button to adjust to desired temperature, then go to a nearby faucet and turn on the hot water only. The water heater will initiate firing sequence. You'll hear the fan come on, then the igniter will spark, and the unit will fire up. Once the unit is in operation, check water temperature after about 30 seconds. The water should be within a couple of degrees of displayed temperature. To learn more, visit rheem.com/tankless.